Hello and welcome back to our tutorial where I'm going to show you how to rig up this little 3D dude. So let's get started with that. Alright, just as a reminder, all the files that I'll be using today you have access to. You'll find the link down below. First off, to import our rig, let's go to File and Import and hit FBX. And I'm already in the Blender tutorial series folder. And this is in the root part of it. So right here you have blank rig. Let's go ahead and import that. All right, now you see these little arms sticking out. Let's go ahead and put an X-ray on those so we can see our bones through our model. So hit X-ray just right there. I'm going to hit, actually, I've had a lot of issues whenever I rotate the rig before the model. So I'm just going to rotate the model to fit in place with him. So just like that. All right, now that we have our dude in kind of position with our rig, let's go ahead and scale up the rig. Just like that. Let's kind of make it fit a little better, G and Z. All right, so there's his neck and his head. I'm just gonna get his neck kind of right there. Awesome. Now you can select your rig and hit Tab, take it into edit mode. And we'll just go ahead and select his neck and his head, kind of fix it a bit. Just like that. You kind of want the vertices, you want the bones where you want these vertices associated with them. So you kind of want it looking how you would have the bones in real life. So the vertices move with it. You also want to make sure you have enough vertices to do what you need. So just a lot of things to think about when you're rigging. This is a very simple rig. This is the simplest way we rig with the motion capture. So this may not be, the best way to do it, but whenever you need a quick rig and you need to show someone how to rig something, and if you want it to work with motion capture, this is probably the best way to do it. Let's go ahead and bring this down. Alright, so I've got his torso sort of in place. These are his root bones. They won't take control of anything. So let's just grab his legs and scale those down and bring those kind of so they're right. These little ball joints are right where his hip joint would be. Alright, so let's move this one over. Having a little bit of anatomy knowledge whenever you're doing this helps a lot. Oh, see now, let's bring these in so they're kind of where bones would actually be more into it. Alright, that looks pretty good to me. Now what we can do is select your model first. You hold shift and then you select your rig and then hit Control P, and you'll have to set your parent to with automatic weights. And now Blender has associated these bones with specific vertices, and it should move pretty good. It's not perfect. Like I said, the next episode will be about fine-tuning it with the weight paint. So there you go, you learn how to rig in under 2 minutes. The next episode will be the fine tune, so we'll get these bones to work a lot better with our model. So I'll see you then. See ya.